After 14 years now in the field and giving many lectures and talks, I can say the best thing you can do is submit an abstract, get accepted, go on stage and present your data.
There's so many opportunities for physicians to contribute to the content, and I think the more content we have, the more ideas we can exchange, and this also results in a lot of trainee and early career physicians, and this leads to advancement of their career.
I think it's really important to have a well-structured abstract, that the title is good, the question is clearly formulated, and the goals of the project and the abstract.
That at the end of the day, everything that you research and submit and present and publish, this is the best thing you know. So no one knows better than you on topics on which you submitted abstracts. In addition, it provides an opportunity to be in a meeting, to exchange ideas, to learn, to get criticism, and to improve.
You have to practice your talk in your hotel room or on the train, not just in your mind, but you really have to formulate it and speak out aloud as you do in front of the audience.
I think people should submit abstracts to the Euretina meeting because it is important to share your research, to share your effort. It's a way to grow, to collect inputs, to collect new ideas, and also to grow professionally.
There's a discipline to it. It teaches you so much to be able to think about what your message is and put it concisely and in an organized, logical way, but also with the context of where your work fits in the wider knowledge and scientific community. And then by submitting it, like that discipline has the opportunity to allow you to learn from others and them to learn from you.